type of apprenticeship do you want? What type of future do you want? I would say the college does a really good job of recruiting the right apprentices for the right programmes and matching them to the right employers. We work really closely with our employers to ensure our curriculum is relevant. It's about developing that relationship, really understanding what are the needs of that employer, what is that business's biggest problem, and could an apprenticeship be a solution for them?
Shop floor, that's where the action happens. Engineering is so diverse and apprenticeship schemes are key for us. The way we manufacture things isn't in a textbook, it's not on Google. The business has been here for 90 years. We don't know what this business will look like in the next 90 years' time, but the people that are going to get us there are those apprentices.
There's so much loyalty within apprenticeships, and apprenticeships are sustainable ultimately. They give you that long-term plan, they give you that long-term development opportunity.
It's a really tricky job being a nursery practitioner. There is so many jobs that you have to do off the top of your head, on the spot, and very much multitasking, and Annie just embraces all of those things. Limetree have been working with Loughborough College for it's almost 15 years now, and over that period of time Limetree have had approximately 350 apprenticeships, T-level students and other students that have used our services. And for us it's really helpful to have somebody that started from the beginning so that we can train them and nurture them the Limetree way.
We had a really strong field of applicants, but Uma really shone through. We usually look for people who have our major sports as their skill set, and Uma doesn't, but she has some really hugely beneficial skills that we felt our students would really learn well from.
Your employers are looking at these guys as the future of their workforce. They're looking at them as their future leaders. They need to have the right behaviours, and they need to have the willingness, the curiosity, the want to be there, the passion for it. We'll help them to develop the skills, we'll help them to develop the knowledge. They'll further test those skills in the workplace.
Being able to put those skills in practice really helps you develop them even further. So if I wasn't doing an apprenticeship, I would not be able to put those skills into action.
The fact that Loughborough College do specialised courses, so I'm on an engineering technician course, which is specific for what we do here at SPS. Apprenticeships are important because of the people that surround you and help you and develop you and nurture you into becoming a successful person within your career.
I absolutely love being an apprentice. The things I've learned whilst working here, it's been amazing. I chose Loughborough College because they have a really good setup. The amount of support that we get, it helps us to build confidence.
That three-way partnership is so important. We're all committed to making it a success. That team approach to making sure they do come out as that well-rounded, well-shaped apprentice that's ready for the world of work.